This is Shelly Craft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the 2016 LD Micro Invitational in Bel Air, California. I have with me Dr. Nader Pourhassan of CytoDyn, and it's a publicly traded company, and the symbol is CYDY. Doctor, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelly, for having me.
It's good to have you. Let's start with an overview of the company, and then we'll ask you some other questions.
Okay, that's great. The company is developing Pro-140. It's a first self-injectable monoclonal antibody for the HIV patients, and it's been developed as monotherapy or combination therapy.
How far along is the drug?
We are in phase 3, so we are very much in the late stage, and we have two trials in phase 3. So it's very close to getting the BLA submission, hopefully in 2017.
What differentiates your drug from anything else currently on the market?
So what differentiates it is a cost, compliance, resistance, side effect, and toxicity. And the data we presented to FDA in this regard impressed the FDA, and they gave us fast-track designation with possibility of accelerated approval.
Now, what's the size of this market?
The size of the HIV market in the United States alone is $15 billion, and we are developing this product for a market size of $5 billion in one phase 3, and the second one, $11 billion monotherapy.
Where was the science developed?
The science was developed originally at Progenics, which was the first 12 years of the product. Then CytoDyn took over 4 years ago, and the NIH funding was always done at the very beginning, which was about $28 million.
What's your background?
My background is mechanical engineering. I have drug development expertise for the last 8 years. And my degree, my education is in, I have a PhD in mechanical engineering.
So let me ask you a question. Is your company ready to market this as a pharmaceutical company, or is your best way to market partnering?
Partnering is the best way, and we believe that the partnering for our company will happen once the data from phase 3 comes out. Currently, we might be in talk, but we just can't talk about it.
So where are these phase 3 trials being conducted? In the United States?
All of them are in the United States.
So, in other words, once you have a phase 3 clinical trial approval, that means that your drug could be marketed in the United States to patients.
So whenever a drug, investigational drug, gets complete results from phase 3, positive results, they file biologic licensing agreement or NDA, new drug application. We are a biologic, so we will file BLA. That process takes a year. If you have an accelerated approval, that will cut that to half. We have fast-track designation, therefore we have a possibility of accelerated approval.
Dr. Pourhassan, what is your website for our audience, if you would?
Sure, www.CytoDyn.com. CytoDyn is CYTODYN.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Nader Pourhassan, CytoDyn. It's a publicly traded company, and the symbol is CYDY. I'm Shelly Craft. This is SNNLive, and we're coming to you live from the 2016 LD Micro Invitational in Bel Air, California. Thank you for coming on to SNNLive.
Thank you for having me, Shelly.
Quite welcome.